Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Solidity programming. So we are going to apply the normal addition with respect to two variable in Remix IDE. So how to proceed? So let's first understand the code. So for the very first line we are having this particular line, that is pragma solidity raised to 0.5.0. So this line indicate that we are using the version 0.5.0 for the solidity program. Next, here we are creating a contract. Now this contract is same as we usually use a class in object oriented programming. So similarly we need to use a keyword as contract. Now the name of the my contract is solidity test. If you want, you can write any of the name as per your wish. After that we have taken a constructor. The way of writing a constructor is same as we usually do in our C and C++ program. It's an empty instructor for initialization purpose. Now this is the main line where we are declaring or defining a function. For that we need to write the keyword function. After that the name of the function with the parenthesis as it is required by you. You can write any of the name. After that we need to specify it the accessibility. So I am giving it as a public access specifier, and then my function is going to return some value. So that value should be in a unsigned integer, UINT, that is unsigned integer. Now what the function is going to do, so under the function I have taken a variable a, I have declared it and assigned it a value as 1. Similarly we have taken a variable b and have assigned a value 2 to it. Now what the third variable result is going to do, simply it is going to add a plus b, but obvious we are having a ka value as 1 and b value we are having as 2, so the result we are going to get is 3. And what at the end it is going to happen, it is going to return the result. So that's why we have taken over here as UINT, that is int, unsigned integer. So this is the simple program that we are going to execute in our Remix IDE. So what we have to do, so simply what I will do, I am just going to copy out the code. Give me just a normal setting so that it can appear as a whole screen. So I am going to just select it as a desktop site. So this is our full screen of Ethereum IDE, Remix IDE. Now look here, we'll have an exposure to this left side thing. We are having File Explorer. Below that we are having the compiler setting, Solidity compiler setting. Below that we are having how to deploy and run the program. Below that we are having statistic analysis. At the end we are having the unit testing, how we are going to run and execute the code, and at the last we are having the plugin managers. If we need, we can set up all these things, and if you want, you can activate whichever is there is your requirement. So this is our simple program. So I am coming back to my File Explorer. As I am creating a contract, so I am just going to click on contract. It is going to list all the contracts that I have created yet, and I am going to create another one. So what I have to do, after clicking on the contract, here we are having file, new file, open file, and connect to localhost. So what I am going to do, I am going to select new file. Now you can see a golden box over here, yellow box. Here I am going to give the name. So I'll write the name as addition. Okay, after that I am going to just press the enter, and it is going to create and give me an as addition.sol. SOL is nothing but the extension for Solidity program. Then at the beside I am going to get a particular screen like this way where I can write my code. So at the top you can see I am having home screen and addition.sol. So this is the place where I am going to paste my code. So like this way you will simply have to paste your code, or if you want you can write it down. So this is the step that we need to follow. After this what we have to do? So we have to go for the second option, that is under the Solidity compiler, and here I am going to click this blue button, that is compile addition.sol. Okay, so it has been compiled and it's showing me a certain warning. It's very simple, as it is asking for the function to have a multiple lines. It's okay, we can ignore this particular thing, and then I'm going to select this particular option, third one, that is for the deploy. You can see the orange button, so simply I'm going to click on this option, that is deploy. After clicking on the deploy, it has created a test file, that is Solidity test. So I am just going to click on this arrow. After clicking on this arrow, it gives me a button named as get result, which is nothing but the name of my function, get result. So this is the function that we have created. So here we are. So what I am going to do, I am just going to click on this get result, and you can see here I get the answer as 3. This is UNIT 256. This is nothing but this is simply the format, variable format, that it has been taken as unsigned integer 256 bytes. Most important is our answer that we have got as 3. So this is the program all about performing addition while creating a contract and a particular Solidity programming. So this is complete view. This is the simplest thing you can create under. As a beginner you can start up with the thing. Thank you so much.